Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me, over me. And before I'd be a slave, I'd be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free.
Good morning. Today's Sunday is dedicated to the Underground Railroad. The Underground Railroad was a network of secret routes and safe houses used by 19th century black slaves in the United States to escape to free states in Canada with the aid of abolitionists and allies who were sympathetic to their cause. The term is also applied to the abolitionists, both black and white, free and enslaved, who aided the fugitives. One estimate suggests that by 1850, 100,000 slaves had escaped via the railroad. British North America, present-day Canada, where slavery was prohibited, was a popular destination, as its long border gave many points of access. More than 30,000 people were said to have escaped there via the network during this 20-year peak period.
Over me, and before I'd be a slave, I'd be buried in my grave, and I go home to my Lord and be free, and be free.